So we are going to build the Hogwarts Express Lego. I am so excited to build this. Are you excited to build this? There we go. So we have everything in here. We have bags. Ooh, look at that. Look at this book. When you get a Lego book that looks like this, you know you're in for an adventure. This is a book. This is a book. Oh,
Does it have an engine on it, Daddy?
And we have all the stickers. This is building the station first, and we need bag number 1, bag number 3, number 1. Okay. So look at this. It's showing you in bag number 1, you're gonna build these people and this part of the station. I love this. This is so organized. We're done with the station. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Train.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of like opens up. That's cool.
Can I try that?
Yeah. So awesome. Okay, so we're gonna put this off to the side.